Hey, hi, we're going to look at this app called All Recover Deleted Messages. Okay, now this app, it can help you recover deleted messages, audio, documents, all that stuff. Okay, it can help you recover videos. Maybe someone sent you a video and like someone deleted it. Maybe it's an image. Maybe it was an audio, a voice message, and you really want to recover that message which someone sent you. You can use this app. You're going to see how it works and what it can and what it can do. It can not only recover all these ones, it can also recover the documents, as it says. We're going to see how it works so that you can know how you can use it. Now, not only can it recover WhatsApp messages, this app can really be able to recover other messages, maybe in Messenger, maybe in Telegram. As long as you have an app that you're using to text, this app can help you kind of recover the deleted messages or actually backup. Okay. It can recover and also it can also be used as a backup. But most people who are using this app, they're trying to use it to recover something. Okay, now we're going to look at it. I've installed it, but it has a lot of ads because I'm on a free version. Okay, I'm on a free version. During the installation, the first thing that will be asked is after installing it, you'll be asked to select if you're going to go with premium or the basic. The premium these days, I think it's around like 17.69. That's like $18 per week. It's kind of expensive, but that is after the free day trial. They give you like a free day trial. After that, you can pay that. But even if you don't pay, you can still use the free basic package. This package, okay, the basic package, you can still see deleted messages. You can recover media. You can download status. You can download statuses of other people. You have to have a lot of ads in the basic, and also you don't have support, which the premium people have. Now you can say you can really you may use it without really the premium, but what I can see is the free package has a lot of ads. Everywhere you click is actually ads. I understand it's free, but just know like the ads are everywhere. Okay, now during the installation you have to select the language. I selected English, but it has multiple languages. And during installation, there's something that I want you to look at is this part. When you're installing this app, don't forget to click these notifications. Under notifications, there's these two buttons. One is notifications, another one is storage. You have to tick these options because if you don't tick notifications, you can actually back up or see deleted messages. And these are one of the mistakes which people do during this app installation, and they kind of actually complain. So you have to tick the notification. And here they say this allows recover deleted messages to back up your notifications and messages in case they're deleted. Okay, so if you don't tick the notifications, actually you miss out some functionalities within this app. Now, when you actually activate notifications, you're going to choose some apps in your phone which you want to give notification access. Now, this is an emulator, so I don't really have a lot of messages here, but under this list, you have to actually tick on like WhatsApp. You see these buttons on my right side, these ones, okay? You have to activate them like this, okay? Then you just click on allow. So let me say this is WhatsApp, this is Messenger, this is Facebook, this is Telegram. You have to actually turn them on. That is crucial because without that, this app is useless. If you don't actually select the messages, the app message that you want to recover or backup, the app will be useless. So in my list, I don't have Messenger, I don't have WhatsApp because I'm using a phone emulator on my computer. But if you're on your phone, you'll be able to see like phone messages or Facebook. So you kind of tick them on so that the software can be able to actually back them up. Okay. So after ticking them on, you can go back So let me kind of, I think, go back here. All right. So this is an advert. The app has actually a lot of adverts. Then don't forget to tick on allow to backup photos, audios, and videos. If you don't tick it on, it won't be able actually to back up the photos, the audios, and videos. The reason why most people actually complain that it doesn't really work is because some of these options are not ticked on. Okay, so you have to tick on the notifications, then choose the notification that you have to back up. So after ticking them on, you have to click on done. Then you access how the app looks. Okay, let me try to do this. Okay, so let's try to do this. Okay, all right. So after opening the app, you can see actually in the middle of it, you'll be able to see like the ads, remove ads on the menu. There's remove ads, but there you'll be actually going to pay. They have languages and all that stuff. Here they have recover one, status saver. So actually this app can really, download actually status as off people's WhatsApp and all that stuff. So you can easily actually download the statuses from people's social medias. Okay. Recover one, recover two. There's messages app, there's instant, there's black text. Okay. Now the app isn't really so complex to do. You just actually have to activate the notification. Now, let me explain a bit something. When you go into the reviews of people on this app, you realize actually, let me see this app, just a minute. When you go to the to the comments on this app, you realize actually some people are kind of complaining. Like someone is saying like it doesn't give any options to show deleted text or calls. It does not even give an option for anything. When you click on messages, it does nothing. What I can say is you have to make sure that you turn on the other notifications. Okay. And so this app actually keeps an eye on any messages in the notification bar and makes a backup of messages in seconds. Okay. As long as someone sends a message or something, it just actually gets it and backs it up. Now, whenever a message is deleted, this app can notify you and show you recently deleted messages. That is a cool thing about it. And make sure you keep auto save media on. The other thing which I showed you when you're installing, okay? It's crucial to actually turn on that, okay? Now, you have to understand the app does not recover old messages which were deleted before the installation of this app. Now, that is crucial. If you install this app after, if your phone like maybe like someone deleted, or maybe you formatted your phone and you use this app to kind of recover those deleted messages, this app won't really help you because it only kind of recovers messages which were deleted after it was installed. And even if it was installed, it can only work when you enable those options that we discussed about. You have to enable all auto save options. So in other words, it won't be able to actually save and all this stuff. So the app may be useless to you if you want to recover messages when before you install it. Okay, for example, maybe you have come across this video and you have learned about this app, but you kind of actually lost some WhatsApp messages. Someone actually sent you an audio and maybe it deleted it. Maybe you're trying to retrieve that audio after like a month or a week, and you really wanted that audio, maybe a Deutschmate, someone maybe you deleted it, and also maybe the sender deleted it and you want to recover it. The app won't really help you because by the time the other person deleted the audio or you deleted the audio, this app was not installed. In other words, this app, all it does is it kind of backs up your messages, okay? Then when you want to view them, it can help you show what was deleted. In other words, if it's not installed in your phone, it can't recover messages which were deleted before it was installed. So if you're kind of a person who deleted your messages or lost actually all those messages, this app won't really help you because it was not installed by the time your messages were gone. Okay, you can just install it, then it will kind of help you back up all messages on different apps, Messenger, Telegram, WhatsApp, all that stuff. Okay, so let me know if you have a question. Let me know what you think about this app. Will it be helpful to you or it's useless? Okay, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like my video. I appreciate if you like my video, like subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.